What is up, y'all? I'm Benjamin Outdoors, and today I got a pretty sweet treat for y'all. So I actually got pulled over a while ago on my custom R6. I actually sold it a long time ago. I don't have it here. But I had no tag. I kind of figured I was going to get pulled over. So anyway, I passed a cop. He pulled out. I looked behind me, turned on his sirens and everything. Interaction was cool. Here it is.
What's up?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Where's your license plate?
I ordered
Got it.
I ordered the American flag one to go along with the colors.
Okay.
And just
hadn't gotten it yet.
no, I have not. So I mean,
You have your license with
yeah.
you? Do you have a place to put it when you get it?
Yeah, it's right below the tag or the light.
Okay. Yeah, that was the only thing, man. You passed me, I was like,
Yeah, I knew that's what it was for. So yeah.
I'll just tell him. 102 Auburn, 1028. Mike Charlie 59539, repeating MC. Hey, give me a shot.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, give me 1 second. As soon as they call me back,
Alrighty.
I'll have you on your way.
Cool. Yeah, I got it like last week, and just hasn't come in yet. I don't know when the wait period is for it.
102. There's no telling.
Yeah.
YZF R6S, red in color, system 18 MFI, 1027, returns to the same subject to no selector, restrictions, corrective lenses, current Delta Mike Victor, -29.
Simple. Have a good one.
Appreciate it. Take it easy.
So that's actually going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for more.